Sometimes late at night I lay awake as watch her sleeping. So lost a peaceful dream, so I turn off the light and lit theirs in the park. And I thought process my mind, if I never wake in the morning, what's the ever chance till we are here about here in my heart? If tomorrow never comes, when she knows how much I love her, did I try in every way to show it every day that she's my only one? And if my time was with you, and she lost space this much without me, that's the love I keep here in the past, that I've been not to last if tomorrow never comes. Cause I lost that once in my life. I never knew how much I loved you. Now I live with regret so much of feeling the river will appear. So I made a promise to myself to say instead how much you mean to me. And I've heard a circumstance when there's no second chance to tell her how I feel. And tomorrow never comes, when she knows how much I love her, that I try in every way to show her every day that she's my only one. And much this time ever true, and she lost face this world without you. As the love I get in the past, that I've been not to last, and tomorrow never comes. Just tell the someone that you, the words you're thinking, and tomorrow never comes.